Hello, it's your girl Chloe, and we're back with another video. So today's video is going to continue the working out series, and it's going to be an upper body workout. I usually just do like all my upper body together because it's just not my favorite. There's like a FedEx driver right behind me. This is embarrassing now. Okay, we're back and we're better. But yeah, so today's going to be an upper body workout. Like I said in my previous workout video, I do have scoliosis, so this is scoliosis proved, so it's like not too much blunt action on the spine because that will hurt me. So there's that. This is more of like a toning, not bulking, not trying to get humongo gains for the arms, but up that weight and get it. But yes, so let's just get right into this workout, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is hit 50 jumping jacks. Woohoo, let's get that heart pumping, racing, let's get it. So right after you finish your 50 jumping jacks, you're going to go right into these shoulder raises. You're going to do 20 of these, so 10 on each side. Right after you finish those raises, you're going to go directly into these dumbbell flies. What you're going to do here is just bring those weights down together at the bottom and then fly those arms out. You're going to repeat this 20 times. So right after you finish those jumping jacks, you're going to go right into this exercise right here. I just call these bent rows. You're going to do 10 of these. As you can see, you're just going to have a bend at the hip. You're going to grab your dumbbells and bring them up straight back right to your hips as you bend your arms. Now we are going to go straight into our dumbbell curls. You're going to do 20 of these bad boys, and this is just a traditional curl. You're just gonna put your arms by your sides and curl those dumbbells up towards you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are almost there. Before this workout that I'm about to talk to you about, I would like you to do 50 jumping jacks. And then after those jumping jacks, head right into this right here. You're going to do 10 of these lat pullovers or overheads. All you're going to do here is grab your weight and just bring it over your head and then pull it directly back up. Once you complete those overheads, you're going to go directly into a chest press. I've seen many different techniques of how to do a chest press, but for me, I just bring my arms down by my sides and then bring them back up and almost touch the weights together at the top and just continue that and repeat. You're going to do this 20 times. You're on your last superset, you got it. So for the cardio section of this superset, we're gonna switch it up just a teens. I want you to do this jogging back and forth. I do it 5 times. Whatever really gets you pumping and going, do that. Okay, right after your little jog session, you're going to do 10 of these single-handed rows. So what I like to do is, again, bend at the hip and then hold something for support. Grab whichever arm I'm working and bring that back up to my hip. You're going to do both arms, and you're going to do each arm 10 times. So for a total of 20 reps. Now you're going to go right into a tricep extension. Here you're going to bring your arms over your head, bend your elbows down, and then bring that weight right back up. You're going to repeat this 10 times. You did it, you're all done. Now remember, everything will be in the description below regarding details, how many times to repeat, and all of that stuff. Thanks so much for watching.